Let's learn with fun. Okay. Baby, I'm going to nearby market. So baby said, okay mom. Take care yourself and follow all safety rules. Do you know safety rules? What is safety rules? Don't touch keyboard and all the things. Okay, these are the safety. Okay mom. So mother boy, take care yourself. I am going to market. Take care yourself. Okay, tell me what are safety rules? Yes, I know, Mama. So tell me. Oh, first is don't touch any switchboard with wet hand. So he asked, but why, ma'am? Why, mom? We may get electric shock. What happens if you touch the switchboard with wet hand? You got a electric shock. So don't touch switchboard. Okay, don't touch the switchboard and other switchboard. Don't touch. Okay. The second point is this: in the absence of mother or elder one, don't play with water. Okay. So don't touch any switchboard with wet hand. Clear? So next one is don't play with water in absence of an elder or other person. If your mother is here, play. It's okay, mother, in the supervision of mother and any elder person. But don't play if no one is there. Okay? For example, if you are playing with you get a slip, maybe you slip and you get down, falling down. Okay? So don't play with water in absence of elder. At that time they help you. Okay, otherwise no one will help you. So don't play with water in absence of elder to prevent an accident. Why not play? Because to prevent an accident. Okay, don't go climbing without necessary, and you will never climb alone. If not necessary, don't climb. Don't climb on bed, don't climb on sofa, and don't climb on stool. Okay? Because no one is at the home at that time. So what happens if you fall in? No one can attend you. So don't climb. Don't go for climbing without. Look what happened when you climb it. You climb it, you get fall. Maybe you get fall. Okay? And then you got injuries. Okay, so that's the reason don't go climbing without necessary, and you will never climb alone. Okay, call the mother if you want something, and if you want to climb, to put something to elder in the examining of the supervision of some elder one. Yes, look what happened. The stair is waves moving, shaking, and this boy get down. Okay, don't use sharp objects like scissors and fork. Knives can be harmful. Okay, yes, to get injuries from sharp objects. Look here, look in this way. Maybe a cut on your hand and other part of the body. So don't use sharp objects like scissors, knives and fork can be harmful. Okay, one last rule, what it is? Do you know last rule? To get injuries from the sharp object, so don't use. What the last rule? Remember? Don't open the door. Okay? Last is don't open the door. First look through the pill hole. If you don't know, recognize person, don't open it yet. Okay? And if you think there is some monster and some unknown person, so call immediately if you feel danger. Okay? To call your mommy, papa and any elder one to help. So now you know all the safety rules. That I am going and you sit here for a few minutes and see TV. Okay? I am coming within 1 minute. Okay, Pravi, you follow all the rules? Next time you follow all the rules? What the rule? Yes, good, very good. Like,